Guys, today I show you how to remove my account. This is model is that's model name, and this is T9. So I show you how to remove. So guys, first turn off the phone and then all volume up, and then connect on your PC. Then your phone will be reset in my account. Guys, go to MediaTek, then reset my account. So guys, see. So guys, volume up and then connect the cable. So now we will wait for phone. Walaikum salam. Volume up. Ne tabal namala. So guys, connect your phone volume up and put the cable like that. So see guys, the phone is connecting now. This is done. We'll wait for a phone. That's removing now. We remove the account and Google account and MI account, both of them. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and like and subscribe my video.